is coaching threatened by AI in some way? Can AI kill off, self-help industry, coaching stuff? Do you think?
Yes, coaching is threatened by AI, but it will not be killed off. And ChatGPT is actually the ultimate coach. You can ask it any question that you would ask your coach. How do I quit my job? How do I fire an employee? How do I deal with Karen in the office? So on and so forth. All of these questions could be asked to ChatGPT, and it will be very helpful. And I urge everybody, including the coaches, to use ChatGPT in this way. Now, can it replace coaches? Can it replace mentors? Well, there is the human element there. And when I think about my mentors, um, there is something very human about them, right?
Mm.
I choose them in a way in which there are these humans that are close to me in some way, they can help me, and so on. So I can never replace them with the AI. But if I need to get a job done,
Mm.
you know, I will not bother them. I would use ChatGPT for sure. And in the same way, I think the coaching industry will get augmented a lot.
Mm.
The coaches themselves, if they don't know how to help someone, they will use ChatGPT. I am sure they're using it already. People are asking them questions and they're like, "Oh, ChatGPT, how should I help this person?" And basically, the person is probably paying for, coaching, but getting some ChatGPT help
Yeah.
instead.
Yeah.
So for the people paying for coaching, double check your options, talk to ChatGPT and ask your coach and see if the coach is giving the same
Mm.
replies, right?
Yeah.
um, it's an actual thing, I'm sure. For the coaching industry, I'm turning to the coaches. Please don't reject AI or don't conceal your usage of AI or something like this. Rather, be open about it and say, I'm using AI and I will teach you, I will coach you to use AI to get better.
Mm.
And so you're coaching them and you're also teaching them AI. I think this is an amazing way to help someone grow. And this is the way we should be thinking about it, and not, you know, AI is bad. AI will, I don't know. I don't want to use like AI will f you up, yeah,
Mm.
and all these things. No, no, AI can help you quite a lot, and we should be mindful of this. If you're a coach and you're looking for the best way to coach someone through AI, or if you're a mentor doing mentorship, I highly recommend our tool. Sorry for the self promotion, but it's team-gpt, and it allows you to collaborate inside the AI, and it's especially useful for coaches, training
Mm.
companies, and mentors, to teach this proper usage of AI for the specific use cases.
Yeah, I think I've seen some use cases within the tool where it's being used to run workshops, with like new groups every week, and like it's
Mm.
genuinely used as a coaching tool. Yeah.